Welcome back to John Kleis Car, his YouTube channel. This video is about the Puma Defender behind me. 2012 110. It's come in because, well, customer wanted Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, decent DAB reception and a little audio upgrade because the factory system is diabolical when it comes to sound. We haven't gone too crazy with the audio, so I'll go through that shortly and show you what we've done. Starting from the outside, we haven't done anything to the outside apart from the aerial. So we've fitted a Nakatanenga aerial on the rear, on the front wing. This gives the customer really good FM, AM and DAB. The mask is removable, so if you need to take it off, you just literally rotate it anti-clockwise. From the outset, let's turn the ignition on. We're going to get the Land Rover logo come up because we've put that on there. You can put any logo you want, even your company name if you want. Now when you do double DIN conversions, there's a few switches that you no longer have above the radio like you had in your, obviously before the conversion was done. These get relocated to over here. So for example, hazard switch, rear washer jet, rear wiper and rear fog light all get positioned over here. You get a blank down here, which we can either do a kit without the blank or we can put an optional extra in here, entirely up to you. For now it's empty for the customer to add something at a later date. And then we put a USB connection here in a factory looking blank, which then goes straight to the Kenwood. So, and we can also put USB-C fast chargers if you prefer as well. So that's quite a nice little option. Customer now has access to a 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So I can push the telephone button here and get my phone connected straight up so you can show you how it all works. So hit the Kenwood, hit pair, hit allow, hit yes on the screen, and your phone will come up, do you want to do CarPlay? Hit yes. And then we just hit yes on the screen. Your phone can just go wherever it wants, and then within a few seconds, Apple CarPlay will come up on the screen. Just like so. Let's mute that so I don't get a copyright strike. So now customers got access to Apple CarPlay. So we have Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze navigation and TomTom if you pay for it. You can use music streaming apps like Spotify, Deezer, Apple Music and Tidal. So I'm a Tidal user. If I go to Tidal, it's similar to Spotify, just higher sound quality in my opinion. We'll just wait for it to load up. So now I can go to Recents, explore my collection. I can go down to my downloaded songs. I don't have anything downloaded because I stream everything. So yeah, it's really, really quick to use. This works with Android Auto as well. And I can go to Home button and then I can go to DAB. And then, for example, because we've got the new aerial on here now, if I push the magnifying glass, I've got access to loads of channels. A lot more channels than you would get if you had a windscreen aerial fitted on Defender. These aerials are so much better for reception. Can't beat a good metal ground plane for an aerial. You can put a reverse camera on this, but we haven't done it because we didn't want to go for a reverse camera on this.